Have you ever seen a rainbow across the sky? It is one of the most incredible sights in nature. So, what is a rainbow and how is it formed? The light from the sun appears white to our eyes. However, it consists of many different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The order of the colors contained in white light is called its spectrum. Each component color of white light travels at a different speed in a medium. Red light has the highest speed, while violet light has the lowest. Because of this, when white light goes from one medium into another with a different density, red light, which is the fastest, is refracted less, while violet light, which is the slowest, is refracted more. Since each of the component colors in white light is refracted at a different angle, the colors become separated from each other. This effect is called the dispersion of light. We can observe the effect of light dispersion with a glass prism. When white light enters the prism, the different colors start to spread apart due to dispersion. As the light rays come out of the prism, they are further separated from each other. The formation of a rainbow is also due to the dispersion of light. In this case, water droplets in the air act like prisms and cause sunlight to be dispersed into its component colors. A rainbow usually forms when the sun comes out after the rain has just stopped. To see the rainbow, we must face away from the sun and look at the sky. The sunlight that comes from behind becomes dispersed by the water droplets in the air. We see the red light from the water droplets that are higher up, and the other colors from the water droplets below. Together, the component colors of sunlight dispersed by the water droplets form the magnificent sight that the rainbow is.